In our recent uploaded video, we have discussed the opportunity in the AI, artificial intelligence. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunity in the BI, business intelligence. Which company is providing this opportunity, where to apply, how to apply, who all are eligible for this particular opportunity. All the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you are new to our YouTube channel, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the video notification in your home tab. Also, one more information for you. We are providing the services like ETS resume, LinkedIn profile optimization, interview preparation. You can opt for any of the service at flat 150 rupees for the first 50 viewers of this video. If you are among the top 50 viewers, then you can avail this service at flat 150 rupees. Alternate the services are starting from 250 rupees at very affordable rate. But for the first 50 viewers, I am repeating again, for the first 50 viewers, the services are rupees flat 150. So you can avail this amazing opportunity. Just follow this step. Firstly, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Second thing, in the video description, you will find the WhatsApp number of our team. You can simply message this opportunity by taking screenshot of the subscribing the channel. Then you can directly message, and within 24 to 48 hours we will be reverting back to you and provide you the offerings. So let's come to today's video. I will be taking you to the laptop screen and we will be discussing all the amazing opportunity from there. Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the United website where we have opened the careers portal. Associate Analyst TO Business Intelligence. This is the job role. First of all, location, I want to tell that location is Gurugram, Haryana, India. Tech Ops, Maintenance, Management and Administrative Domain. Full-time job opportunity posted on 23rd January 2025 respectively. Now let's talk about the description of this opportunity. We have a wide variety of career opportunity around the world. Come find your. Here company is inviting to apply for their company. Now let's talk about the job in detail. Technical operations and maintenance. Technical operations include the maintenance and overhaul of our aircraft. This include aircraft maintenance technician, engineers, planners, ground equipment and facility teams, supply chain teams, and more. Now let's talk about the job overview and responsibility. As a associate analyst, you will be working to enable better decision making across GXFX. The work will involve working on huge volumes of data coming from GXFX teams, various systems, for example, Flat Focus, telemetry devices, Copia, Plan Plus, Oracle, ERP, etc., and use this information to drive decision making. Will be responsible for working on analysis project, will deliver for various stakeholders across organization. Number one, you will be helping to extract data from variety of source to help in building operational dashboard and report. Number two, you will be developing curated tables and views that serve as a single source of truth for united text of data. You will be automate existing manuals, reports and processes to improve operational throughput. Fourth point, you will be performing ad hoc data mining for analysis are required. This position is offered on local terms and conditions. Expect assessment and sponsorship for employee mission even on a time limited visa status will not be awarded. This position is for United Airlines Business Service Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of United Airlines Inc. Now let's talk about the qualification for required for this opportunity. So a candidate should have bachelor degree or 4 year of relevant work experience in engineering, business analytics, finance, supply chain, 0 to 2 year of related experience, deep understanding of data structure, relationship and efficient transformation, familiarity with all parts of the data ecosystem, acquisition, engineering, storage, management, analysis, visualization and deployment respectively, good knowledge and application of data visualization best practices, must be legally authorized to work in India for any employer without sponsorship, must be fluent in English written and spoken respectively, successful completion of interview required to meet job qualification, reliable punctual attendance is an essential function for this position. Now let's talk about the preferred qualification for this role. Master degree in mechanical engineering, airline experience or knowledge of airline operation or flight management is preferred. If you want to apply, then you can click the apply button. Wait for a couple of seconds to get it loaded. Once it get loaded, the application form will be live. Here it's taking some more time as compared to normal, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Now it is open. So this is, first of all, you have to click your insert your email address, then you have to insert your personal information, then you have to answer the general question, then job specific question. After that, in fifth step, you have to tell about work and experience, education. In six, volunteer information, and seven, review and submit. Make sure that you are using ATS friendly resume and score is 70 plus prefer from my side. Also keep your LinkedIn profile optimized, as the team will be reviewing your profile before scheduling any interview. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till end. If you are facing any difficulty or query, you are having any query related to interview application, job application, then you can contact our team. We have already share our WhatsApp number in the description, so you can go through WhatsApp and you can ask your query. Thank you so much for showing your love and support. I will be coming back very soon with another opportunity on the channel. Till then, take care and bye.